Good morning, friends. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I will be discussing Rajya Sabha, what exactly the questions will be asked in examinations. So, this Rajya Sabha is also known as Upper House of the Parliament as well as Council of Ministers. Let us see exactly what questions have been given in Rajya Sabha topic. Initially, 80th Amendment deals with the Rajya Sabha. So we have every amendment in our constitution. So this 80th amendment which deals with the Rajya Sabha, that is upper house. It has been formed on 1952, April 3rd it has formed. This Council of States name has been implemented on 23rd August 1954. The name, the Council of States have been given for Rajya Sabha, and the term Rajya Sabha given by G.V. Mavlankar. As you can see, G.V. Mavlankar is the person who has given the name for the Rajya Sabha word. You should remember that. And the first speaker of Lok Sabha, as you can see, they are right side. Now this is talking about Rajya Sabha. So though, as you can see, the first speaker of Lok Sabha in 1946, he was elected the president of Central Legislative Assembly and saw its transition from Constituent Assembly to the Lok Sabha. So he is the first speaker of Lok Sabha in 1952 and hold the office for the 4 years. So he is the guy who has given the word, the term Rajya Sabha. It is also known as the permanent house, upper house, Council of Ministers. So you should remember everything. So it's a permanent nature. Next we have the strength and age limit. The term of the Rajya Sabha, the total tenure for the 6 years will be the Rajya Sabha members, and 1/3 of the members are resigned after every 2 years. So every second year they directly resign. 1/3 of the batch goes and 1/3 of the batch comes. So the tenure is 6 years. The maximum strength, as you can see, total is 250 members. As you can see to the right of the figure, the Council of States is Rajya Sabha and the House of the People is Lok Sabha. Here not more than 250 members, that is 238 and 12 cabinet members. So likewise, if we see this, so maximum strength is Rajya Sabha is 250 and the state and union territories are 238, and cabinet members, these members are nominated by who? That is nominated by President of India to the Rajya Sabha, that is 12 members. The age limit for the Rajya Sabha member should have minimum of 30 years and above. A person must be a citizen of India and should be elected as member of parliament. So he is only eligible for this Rajya Sabha member. So here, as you can see, 12 members are nominated by President of India. So these are the few 10 nominated members of the Rajya Sabha recently. As you can see, Sachin Tendulkar and various political leaders. The present member of the Lok Sabha total are near about 245. So here it is the present members of the it's not Lok Sabha, it is Rajya Sabha, that is 245. So as you can see how that has been differentiated. The members of parliament are elected by indirect election. So whoever members are there, they are elected by the indirect election. And the chairman of Rajya Sabha, as you can see, 89th amendment shows the vice president is the chairman of Rajya Sabha. The maiden chairman of Rajya Sabha, that is Sarvepalli Radhakrishna, he was the first vice president of India. So he was the chairman of the Rajya Sabha and the first chairman of Rajya Sabha. On his birthday, the Teachers' Day is celebrated. Maiden deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha is S.V. Krishnamurti Rao. He is the maiden deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha. Next we have the Council of Ministers doesn't include cabinet ministers So what exactly the Council of Ministers consists of? It doesn't include cabinet ministers, ministers of state, ministers without portfolio except cabinet secretary. The tenure of Rajya Sabha is permanent. So that is the reason this is a permanent house. The quorum of Rajya Sabha is, this quorum is 1/10 of the total membership is the main quorum of this Rajya Sabha. The resolution for the removal of the Vice President of India can be proposed in any house of the parliament. If we want to remove the Vice President of India, that can be proposed in any house of the parliament, that is either Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha. I request you, once you go through my playlist, you will find 800 plus question papers have been discussed. So please go through this. They are not simple videos, they are question papers. And next we have the maximum seats of 31 from the state of Uttar Pradesh. We can see maximum seats. The people are nominated. The Vice President will preside over the meeting. We knew that he is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. He will preside over the meeting. When there is a joint session, then Lok Sabha speaker will preside. The tenure of Rajya Sabha is, it is very clear that the members of the Rajya Sabha, that tenure is 6 years, but the Rajya Sabha tenure is of permanent nature. 12 members are nominated by the president, that is into the Rajya Sabha. In the case of Lok Sabha, that is 2, they are Anglo-Indians. According to the constitution of our, the Rajya Sabha is not subject of dissolution. So as per the constitution, this Rajya Sabha is not subject of dissolution. Next we have, Rajya Sabha can delay the finance bill sent for its consideration by the Lok Sabha for the maximum period of 14 days. Up to 14 days, this bill can be retained. So Rajya Sabha can delay the finance bill sent for the consideration by the Lok Sabha for a maximum period of how many days? 14 days it can retain, and not more than that. So Rajya Sabha has to decide. Himachal Pradesh has the lowest number of elected members in the Rajya Sabha. As I had told, Uttar Pradesh is the main one, and then Himachal Pradesh is the least one. Rajya Sabha cannot be dissolved, it's of permanent nature. And I request you guys, if you like this, please go through my WhatsApp number. You can call me for PDF of GK and GS questions. Near about 2100 questions of 12 pages. You can take the printout and you can prepare for any competitive examinations. I hope this will help you a lot. I request you guys to go through my playlist. You will find a lot for preparation of the competitive exams. Thank you guys. I hope if there is any discrepancies, please let me know, and I am doing my best, and I request you guys to transfer your friends. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.